Hey YouTube, it's your boy G Miles. Today we're back with another video. Today we're gonna be doing a mukbang on Tuscan chicken with chicken and vegetables over rice. So here it is, Tuscan chicken with vegetables and rice and stuff. So yeah, and plus you got the beans on there. You can tell. So let's get started. In three, two, one. So I gotta dig in. Man, that is so good. Since the chicken bags right here. Now that's some good stuff. Testing chicken with vegetables over rice. So good. Yeah, I doubt. I thought I had the video, but I wound up that the volume didn't try to record my video. Well, I don't know. Since I'm using Video Shop, or I record and edit my videos at the same time, and plus got the beans and spinach in there, and also the rotel, which is the tomatoes. So yeah, and plus super good. Yes, my mom made it. Well, I think I'm making it for a video, but just depends. I can then tell that my mom put her foot in this. So yeah. You can tell that I'm sudden from all the hard work that I do. Got me a drink of water that way so so I can stay hydrated. Gotta have my fluids, my H2O, which is water. Man, the Tuscan chicken right here is so good. And also, but wait, what happened to me this morning when I was on my phone chilling, watching YouTube or something like that. Until my mom calls me at 8 o'clock saying, can you take the picture of the football boards, the football paper, pictures and all that stuff. Since she loves to watch football, but I don't. So I came in to my mom's this room, find the football sheets, then boom, here they are. I took a picture of them so I could send it to her and gone ALC gone during my whole day. Then she called me again by saying, take a picture again, which kind of made me ticked off. By the time when I got to got to this table right here where I used to usually do my mukbangs and stuff to record. So I got my phone, took a picture, and resent it. And then I was mad. Oh yeah, by the time I was mad, I just returned to put those football sheets up, the football boards or whatever. I angrily kicked the door, but not that hard. But it wound up getting a hole in the wall, so that's why I didn't try to. I didn't force or anything. Because I was ticked off. But I was gonna buy a camera with my credit card, but now I gotta pay for a mattress, and so I need a mattress. PS, it didn't work, it or something like that. Then I gotta pay for a door that we know kick. I kick doors for like a several times though. It's my third time kicking the door. Yeah, you know. It looks like I'm not gonna buy a camera. PS my attitude, but I need to control it though. And this stuff is good. The chicken stuff with rice. Mm. So like I said though, there's the beans, spinach, and also the rotel tomatoes. Excuse me. Like so. Excuse me. Yeah. And I'm starting to get full. Because my mom actually put her foot in this Tuscan chicken with vegetables. Tuscan chicken with vegetables. Over rice. Sorry about that. You can tell that I'm almost done, but I gotta finish up. To be honest though, I eat like that with my hands. Not gonna lie. Yeah, I gotta put this in a bowl. Yeah. Voila, I am done with my Tuscan chicken and vegetables with rice and stuff. So yeah. Way two, that's all. Yeah, that's all for this mukbang. And plus, that video's gonna go up around next week and stuff. So yeah. Way two, if you're new to this channel, please give it a like, share, and subscribe. And also hit the notification bell if you get a chance. So yeah. Way two, I'm gonna wrap this up, and it's been your boy J Miles. Peace. I hope you like the Tuscan chicken with vegetables over rice and stuff. So yeah. Peace out.